children, how are you all? There's a nice festival season of Ganpati going on, right? Ganesh festival, and we say Ganpati Bappa Moria. We celebrate this festival every year in the school, but this year we've done it all online. Do you know few facts about Lord Ganesh? Lord Ganesh has a face of an elephant's trunk. Yes, you know that? And his favorite flower is hibiscus. His favorite food that he loves to eat is modak, and I'm sure many of you also like modak. Even I love modak. But most importantly, Lord Ganesha is known for his wit and his wisdom. He was very intelligent and very smart. Today, I'm going to tell you a story, just a small version of this story, to know how intelligent Lord Ganesha was. Yes? Once, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati were having a fruit of knowledge. So their son Ganpati Bappa and Lord Kartikeyan came and said, "We also want to have this fruit. Why can't we have this fruit of knowledge?" So Lord Shiva and Parvati looked at each other and they said, "Let's throw up a challenge for you both. And if any one of you comes back first with the challenge, we will give you the fruit of knowledge." So both the brothers very excitedly said, "Yes, we will do whatever you say and we will win the race." So Lord Ganesha and Lord Kartikeyan had a challenge. And what the challenge was? Lord Shiva said, "You will have to take 3 rounds of the whole world." Yes? And whoever comes first will get this fruit of knowledge. So Lord Ganesha and Lord Kartikeyan said, "Yes, we will win this game." Let's see what happens further. Lord Ganesha's ride was the little mouse, and Lord Kartikeyan's ride was his peacock. Lord Kartikeyan picked up his peacock and fast and furious he picked up the peacock, sat on it and started his journey of taking 3 big rounds of the whole world. Whereas when Lord Kartikeyan went, Lord Ganesha started thinking, "My ride is a little mouse, what would I do?" With his wit and wisdom, he went to his parents. He started taking rounds of his parents who were sitting together. He took 1 round, then he took 2nd round, and then he also took a 3rd round, joining his hands. All the devotees who were there started looking at Lord Ganesha with a very strange look as to what has Lord Ganesha done. Goddess Parvati, Lord Shiva and everybody started looking at Lord Ganesh. He smiled, he bowed down, and then he joined his hands and said, "My whole world are my parents. Everything starts and ends with my parents. So my parents are my whole world. And that is the reason I took 3 rounds of my parents, because they are my world. They are everything for me." Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati were very happy and impressed with what answer had Lord Ganesha given. They were very impressed. So the fruit of knowledge was then given to Lord Ganesha. When Lord Kartikeyan came back, even he agreed that Lord Ganesha is the most intelligent god. His brother was more intelligent than him. He did not take rounds of the world, but he took rounds of his parents, which are a world for him. That is the reason the fruit of knowledge was then given to Lord Ganesha. So do you like this story, children? Yes? You can pray to Lord Ganesha, have loads of sweets, you can enjoy this festival, and Ganpati Bappa Moria. Bye for now, children.